Namaste. Welcome to Crystal Maths. I hope all are fine in home. Let us see surface area and volume in class 10. Normally, we will be finding difficulty to remember the formula. In examination, we will write the formula in opposite way means we will get the wrong answer. I will teach you some techniques how to remember the formula in an easy way using the pictures. See, this is a cube. So cube in the sense we know all the sides will be equal in length. Okay, let us take the side of the cube as A. Okay, and height of all sides will be equal means this is also equal to A. One side will be, area of one side will be equal to side into side, that's nothing but A square, we know that. Okay, just to remember how many sides are there in the cube. We have 6 sides, that is inside. In curve if you see means side 4 sides are there. As well if you add top and bottom we will get 6 sides. So one side is A square means 6 sides together if we think that is nothing but 6A square. That is the formula for total surface area of cube. Okay. Now let's look at the cuboid. In cuboid let us remember length is L and breadth is B and height is H. Okay. What might be the base area? That is this portion. This portion is nothing but what? Length into breadth. It is nothing but L into B. LB, we can write that one. And what might be the area of this portion? Area of this portion will be equal to B into H. Okay. B and H. Fine. What might be the area of the portion which is this one? This area which is behind this one. What is the area? This is nothing but L into H. This will be L into H will be the answer for this one. LB, BH and LH. Okay, LB I mentioned. I did not mention anything over here. The reason is this is base area is LB means definitely the top also will be LB only because top and bottom in a cube will be having the same measurement only. So that will be 2 times LB we will get. Same way B into H. Opposite side also will be same area only. So 2 times BH we will get. 2LB, 2BH and then LH also same way. Opposite sides will be equal. So this also 2 times. So if you are taking 2 outside, we are getting the answer 2LB plus BH plus LH. This is the total surface area of cuboid. We can always link cube and cuboid to recall the formula properly. Okay, the same way we can link cylinder as well as cone. How to link the cylinder and cone? If the cylinder and cone having the same radius, same base, we can say that the volume of cylinder will be equal to 3 times the volume of cone. That means some relation is there, we can remember. Let us see the volume in next one. Okay, how to see this one? That is total surface area of the cylinder. If we cut and open the cylinder, we will get one rectangular piece and then 2 circular pieces we will get. The rectangular piece if you take this portion, that is the length of the rectangle is nothing but the circumference of the circle. So this one we can take it as 2 pi r. And this portion, this is nothing but height of the cylinder. The height of the cylinder will be coming over here. So the area of this portion is 2 pi r square h. So 2 pi r h. And then if you are seeing the circle, the radius will be same for circle as well as cylinder. So the area of this circle is nothing but pi r square. Here also pi r square. If you add together, we will get the total surface area of the cylinder. That is 2 pi pi r square plus 2 pi r h. If you take 2 pi r outside, we will get r plus h. That is the total surface area of the cylinder. Okay. Let us come back to the cone. Cone thing we can remember that one. This is nothing but curves the total surface area. If you have cut and opened this one, it will be coming like this, and then one circular portion we will get. The area of this portion is nothing but pi r l. We will come to know that one in very detailed way later. Remember, the area of this portion is nothing but pi r l, and this will be nothing but pi r square circle. Together if you take the answer pi r, if you are taking outside, you will get pi r into l plus r. This is the total surface area of the cone. So this way we can remember the cone, cylinder, cuboid and cube in an easy way. Let us go to the sphere. In sphere, if you are seeing, we can easily remember what are all the things we have in spherical shape in home. Today I am going to take, just for fun, I am going to take that one, this Musambi. Musambi is in the shape of sphere. In the sphere, what is the surface area of the sphere? You can do a small activity also if you are willing. You can draw 4 circles with this same radius, whatever in this, in a sheet of paper. That 4 circles you can take it off and make into small pieces. That pieces, if you attach over here, it will be exactly fixing over there. So we can find the surface area of this one is nothing but 4 pi r square. Because area of one circle is pi r square. 4 circles we need to take and then make it into pieces. That pieces, if you paste over here, it will be exactly fitting. The radius of the square circle what you are going to draw, that should be the radius of the sphere. In that way, if you try, you will get exactly. So curved surface area. We can't say curved surface area, just a surface area of sphere itself we can tell that one. If you cut this one into 2 equal parts, that is, if you are cutting, we will get that 2 hemisphere, you will get that one. 2 hemisphere, you will get. Okay, what might be the curved surface area? Curved surface area means here, after cutting this one, we will be having one curved surface and then one flat surface will be there. That flat surface also will be looking like circle. So, when we are dividing this, here it will be 2 pi r square and here it will be 2 pi r square. What about the top portion? That is also circle I said. So, this is also pi r square. So, together the surface, total surface area of hemisphere will be equal to 3 pi r square. If you take only curved surface area, means we need to leave the top portion. It might be hollow also. So, curved surface area will be equal to 2 pi r square. When tent is made up of a in the form of cylinder surmounted by a top is cone, and they gave the measurements for the height of the cylindrical part as well as the diameter of the cylinder. Then slant height of the cone is given and the question is asked, find the canvas used to cover the tent. If you are going to find the area, total surface area of this solid, we can easily find what is the measurement. This area of the canvas used for that, we can find it easily. Okay, let us come to the diagram. It's given 4 meters is the diameter of the cylindrical part, and in question it's mentioned very clearly the base one, that is the circular part, as well as the base of the cone, both are in equal measurement. So we can tell this is 4 meters means here also will be 4 meters. If this will be 4 meters in the sense, the radius will be equal to 2 meters. Okay. What is the area of the canvas? Total surface area will be equal to total surface area of we can say that what if it is covered completely. But here it is not covered completely. Canvas in the sense only top portion it will be covered as well as side it will be covered. In that case, CSA is enough. CSA of cone. CSA of cone plus CSA of the cylinder. So I can write like this. Okay, we know the formula for finding the cone as well as cylinder. CSA of cone is nothing but pi r L and cylinder will be equal to 2 pi r h. Here if you look at this pi r, this is common input. We can take pi r outside. So we will get L plus 2 times h, you will get that one. Okay, now we can get that answer. So pi r 22 by 7 is the normal value for pi. Radius is nothing but here diameter is 2, so radius will be 2 here. L plus h. L is given as 2.8 slant height and 2 times h. H is 2.1, 2 times it will be 4.2. So the answer will be 22 by 7 into 2 into 7. So after simplification, we are getting the answer as 44. The unit is meter, that is meter square. So our first answer is 44 meter square. To find the cost of canvas for 500 rupees per meter square. In that case, we need to multiply this number by the cost per meter square. So we will get the answer for this. That will be equal to 44 into 500, which is equal to 22,000 rupees. So we got the answer for this. Thank you.